Okay, so number 12, directions. You do not need to read a passage to answer the question. Read and answer the question. Click and drag the answers to the correct box. So this is obviously a TEI where you're clicking and dragging. Complete each sentence with the correct homophone. So we are looking at homophones. We know from our word parts that phone means sound, homo means same, so they're words that sound the same. And you can see down here we have sent, sent, and sense, which isn't quite a homophone, but it's pretty close. So we have to read the sentences and figure out which meaning is being used for each one. Now it's really hard for me to write on this, so you can write this on your corrections sheet and we'll type it in, but we need to figure out what do each of these homophones mean. Scent, S-C-E-N-T, is like a smell. So if I could write right here, I would put S-M-E-L-L, smell. C-E-N-T is like the money sense. S-I-N-C-E, sense, is like the cause and effect word. Well, since I did my homework, I did not get a strike. Sent, S-E-N-T, is the past tense of send, like I sent you a postcard in the mail. Okay, so we're going to use that to fill in our sentences. Number 1, there is a difference of one between the actual amount and the estimation. Well, my key words, I see difference, I'm already thinking math and numbers. I see the word amount and estimation, so I'm thinking this is the money type of cent. So picture your money cent. There is a difference of 1 cent between the actual amount and estimation. Oh, we even have the word 1. All right, number 2. The scent of vanilla reminds me of my grandmother's kitchen. Well, we're talking about vanilla being in the grandma's kitchen. That has to do with the smell scent, which is S-C-E-N-T. My doctor sent an email to my employer explaining the circumstances. Well, like I said, the past tense of send is sent, S-E-N-T. So basically this is one where if you didn't know the spellings of the homophones, you were going to have a really hard time with this, but you use your context clues. Let's go to your corrections sheet, and I think the best thing to do is put in the meanings. So this is number 12. It is on homophones. It's a TEI. So notice if you're missing a lot of TEIs. Homophones sound the same. All right. Put what you think you chose and why and what's wrong with it. Basically, the way I think we can put this in here is put scent equals money. Scent equals smell. You could draw a nose if you wanted to. Scent equals past tense of send. Okay, and the strategy or tip is to think, what does this word mean? And then visualize, plug into sentence. You want to highlight your context clues, your keywords in your sentence. All right, tell me how you feel about it. Good, bad, in between. That's it for number 12.